Rosie and the color-changing rainbow. One rainy day, Rosie was feeling bored until she noticed a bright, colorful rainbow outside her window. But this rainbow wasn't like any other she'd seen. It was magical. As Rosie watched, the rainbow seemed to change colors with each new emotion she felt. When she laughed, it turned a vivid purple. When she sang, it glowed green. And when she jumped with joy, it became a bright, cheerful yellow. Curious, Rosie called her friends over to watch, and each one made the rainbow change in new, funny ways. The more they laughed and shared stories, the brighter and more colorful the rainbow became. Rosie soon realized that happiness and friendship made life more colorful, just like the magical rainbow. She promised to keep spreading joy to brighten others' days. Now, whenever Rosie sees a rainbow, she smiles, knowing that sharing happiness with others makes every day a little more magical.